Manifest 10 times faster. Here are 5 secrets that will have you manifesting like greased lightning. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We are so grateful and so honored that you're subscribing to our channel. We're here 5 days a week to empower your life with the law of attraction and the latest in the mind sciences. So we're talking about manifesting like greased lightning. I mean, just manifesting fast. And people are asking all the time, Robert, why isn't my manifestation working? Or why does it seem to take so long? I mean, I'm waiting, I'm doing everything, and I'm reading all the books, I'm listening to all the audio programs, I'm doing affirmations, I'm doing visualization, I'm doing scripting, and it just seems to take forever. Now, stay with me on this. This is very important. You are the attractor, the magnet that manifests everything in your life. So, by the same token, you are manifesting the delay. You are manifesting why it's taking so long. And you are perhaps doing that because that is your belief. Perhaps your belief is, this is going to take forever. This may never work. Who knows? I don't know anybody else who's ever done this. I'm trying it, but I don't know. You see, that's what happens. You not only manifest what you don't want, but when you finally get focused on what you do want and you start to manifest it, you manifest the delay. Here are 5 secrets. I know that these are going to help you. So high flyers, if you really desire to manifest 10 times faster, and I believe that during this particular time in our societal evolution, it's easier to manifest today than it was 20 years ago, 10 years ago, even 5 years ago. Everything is moving faster. But if you truly desire to manifest, number 1, you must give up using negative talk about the manifestation process. He never calls me. I did that technique. He didn't text me. The money is too hard to make. I mean, there's no money anywhere. You're hearing that now. You're hearing that from people all over the place in the world after this pandemic. They're saying, oh, there's no money anywhere. There's no money. It's too hard to make money. You can't make money right now. We need the government to take care of us. We can't make... You see, when you live in that mindset, then high flyers, it is difficult to make money. I'm doing everything, Robert. Robert, I am doing everything. And nothing is working for me. You see, every one of those statements that I just made are affirmations. And if you catch yourself using those affirmations like, why isn't this working? That's an affirmation. You are affirming that it's not working, and so therefore, that is exactly what you are attracting. So if you deeply desire to manifest 10 times faster or more, maybe 20 times faster, maybe 50 times faster, you need to give up your negative manifesting self-talk about the process of manifesting. Number 2, present tense reality. Let's begin using present tense reality in our language and in our thinking pattern. I am prosperous. I am living a life filled with abundance and health and happiness and love. I have everything I desire. Everything I want is in my life. It is good. It is moving. It is happening. You know, present tense reality. This is important. When you do your affirmations or incantations, don't make them future tense. I want. Make them present tense. I have. I am. It is. and you will speed up your manifestation incredibly. It's going to be astonishing, 10 times faster. Well, the third secret, and this is perhaps the most challenging for some people, is to detach. So when I do my manifestation work, I have 2 times in the day when I do personal manifestation work. One time is in the morning, and one time is when I'm lying in bed falling asleep. Morning and bedtime. So when I do my manifestation work in the morning, high flyers, I don't think about it all day long and wondering, when is it going to start working, or is it ever going to start working? I just do it. I just do it and I let it go. I give it up. I stop thinking about it. Matter of fact, I do most of my affirmation work while I'm in the shower. So I'm scrubbing and dubbing, having fun in the shower, getting nice and clean, doing my affirmations. But when I rinse off and I get out of that shower, I'm done. I'm on with the day. I'm not thinking about that anymore. I'm detached from it. You have to give the universe a little bit of space. A little bit of space. You have to detach and let it happen. If you're always there, see, if you do your affirmations and then start worrying that it's not working, or if it's going to work, you're creating counter intentions and counter energy, and you are slowing the whole manifestation process down. So detach, do it, let go. So high flyers, it really doesn't make a difference whatever it is that you desire to attract, whether it's money or happiness or love or a relationship or better health or better opportunities. If you will focus inward, then everything will begin to happen outward. We're still wearing the Dr. Wayne Dyer hat. And Dr. Wayne Dyer used to say, you don't manifest what you desire, what you want. You manifest what you are. Become exactly what you need to be for whatever it is that you desire to attract. Focus inward on your vibration. Focus on raising your vibration just a little bit each and every day in every important area of your life. And you will find that you're operating where manifestation just seems to flow. I mean, it really flows. And it flows easily. And it flows 10 times faster. So if I had to put one thing above everything else, what would that one thing be? And that would be increase your gratitude work. Start with your past. Take one thing in your past that you're grateful for and focus on it. And be grateful for it. Focus on your present reality. So many of us are fighting our present reality. But your present reality is where you need to be to leverage yourself to your next reality. So be grateful for all the good things that are coming into your life right now. And then finally, focus on all the good things that are coming into your life, your future reality. Be grateful for past, present, and future. So high flyers, I want you to take a deep breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Feel good, feel energized. Use these 5 secrets. You're going to manifest 10 times faster, but also check out these videos.